Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I have came across one of the updated tweak, and I'm sure you guys been waiting for this since we have the iOS 14 jailbreak out. So now before I get into this tweak and before I share all the information with you guys, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So we're gonna go to Cydia, and once we go to Cydia, the tweak we are going to take a look at today is this one right here. It's the ActivatorCrashFix14. That's the name of it. And as you guys can see, ActivatorCrashFix14 fix a crash some user on iOS 14 are experiencing when using the activator. So if you're jailbroken on the check-in or on the Odyssey jailbreak and you're having issue with the activator, using the activator, you can fix it by downloading the ActivatorCrashFix14. It is available on Cydia right now, and it's from the Pixel repository, as you guys can see in the bottom of this page. So it is available for everyone, and if anyone out there that are having issue, it is good news for you guys. It's just, you know, one simple tweak you guys have to download and it will fix the issue. So now let me know if this was helpful to you guys. And also I just want to share a couple of the themes on this video. The first one is going to be Glassery. Now as you guys can see, this is the name of it, and it brings 100 plus icons and folder mask. As you guys can see right there, this is the picture of it. As you guys can see, that's what your icon gonna look like on your springboard, and it is free. Came out today, and it's free to download, and it is comparable with the iOS version 7 to 69. So it's awesome, really nice theme, and you guys can download that one and check it out. Check it out. Now the next one is this one right here. It's called Jellyoid. Now Jellyoid, as you guys can see right there, you get really nice, awesome, and this is the one I'm using on mine springboard. As you guys can see right there, most of most of the icons covered with that. As you guys can see, my dock in the bottom, and then the if I open up the folder, as you guys can see, it gives the border to the folder. Really nice, really awesome theme, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking this one out. Now the next one is the Shiny V2. Now with the Shiny V2, as you guys can see right there, it's really nice, really awesome widget, and the themes for your springboard, and it's got this one as well. And now you guys can download this one, check this one out. And so let me change this on my device. So as you guys can see, I'm using this one right now, so all I have to do is go to the snowboard, and once I go to snowboard, so we're gonna select this one right here, and we're gonna enable this and apply change, exit, and as you guys can see right there, it brings really nice, really awesome colorful background, and give you a little rounded in the middle of the icon. So I think this is nice as well, and just let me know in a comment which one is your best, and which one you guys like using the most. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop videos in the future. Thank you so much again, and see you guys in the next one.